Hello and welcome to the application section of the National 5 video tutorials. Today we're going to talk about multiplication and division of mixed fractions. Okay, so if you want to multiply two mixed number fractions, the first thing you need to do is make your fractions top heavy. So again, we do that the same way as we were in the previous video. You multiply the whole number with the bottom number of your fraction, to get 4 in this case, and then add on the top number. So 5 over 2 for that first one. We're going to multiply that by, multiply these together, add on this one. 3 times 7 is 21, add 4 is 25 over 7. Okay, then to multiply these fractions together, all we need to do is we need to multiply the top two together. So multiply these numbers and then multiply the bottom two as well. Okay, so 5 times 25 on the top is 125. 2 times 7 on the bottom is 14. How many times does 14 go into 125? Well, 14 times 9 is 126, so it goes in 8 times with 13 as a remainder. So our final answer is 8 and 13/14. Okay, so if we want to divide mixed number fractions, similar steps have to be taken to start with. We need to make these top heavy, so multiply and add. 5 times 6 is 30. Add on 1 is 31 over 6. Divided by 2 times 5 is 10, plus on 3 is 13 over 5. Okay, the next step is the step, some people call it keep, change, flip. You keep the first fraction the same, you change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and you flip the second fraction over, so the bottom becomes the top, and the top becomes the bottom. So 5 is now on the top, and 13 is now on the bottom of the fraction. Then it's very similar to the previous type of example where we multiply the top two and we multiply the bottom two. So 31 times 5 is 155. 6 times 13 is 78. Then we need to figure out how many 78s go into 155. Well, 78 times 2 is 156, so we have 178 and 77 remainder over 78. And there's our final answer. Okay, so here are your examples to try. Remember, make your fractions top heavy. If you're multiplying, you then just multiply the two top numbers and you multiply the two bottom numbers to get your final answer. Whereas if you are dividing, you need to use your keep, change, flip step. Okay, pause the video here because I'm going to reveal the answers in just a couple of seconds. Okay, so the first one, you should have 6 and 8/15. For the second one, you should have 3 and 3/5. For the third one, you should have 15 and 5/6. And for the fourth one, you should have 3 and 3/5. For part E, you should have 2 and 3/26. For part F, you should have 56 over 125. For G, you should have 2 and 7/10. And for H, you should have 1 and 17 over 55. If you'd like to try some exam style questions, then here are your links to SQA past papers. Remember, they're all downloadable for free from the SQA website. Keep revising hard, and thank you again for watching the video.